Ever wondered what's shaking up the crypto world today? Let's dive right in, because you don't want to miss these headlines. First up, VanEck, one of the biggest names in ETFs, just made a bold move. They filed for the first ever ETF based on Lido staked Ethereum. Translation: soon regular investors might be able to get exposure to staked ETH, earning passive income, without actually messing around with wallets or DeFi platforms. If this gets approved, it could be a total game changer for how Wall Street interacts with crypto. More access, more liquidity, and maybe, just maybe, a fresh wave of demand for Ethereum. Next, Ethereum's co-founder Vitalik Buterin just dropped a bombshell: the GKR protocol. Now, I know what you're thinking. What the heck is GKR? It stands for Generalized Knowledge Rollup, and it's all about supercharging Ethereum's famous zero-knowledge proofs. Basically, it makes the blockchain way more scalable and private, letting you prove you did something on-chain without revealing every detail. Imagine faster, cheaper transactions, and a lot more privacy for users and businesses. It's like giving Ethereum a turbo boost, and it could make everything from DeFi to NFTs smoother and safer. And finally, let's talk global money moves. China's tightening up controls on its rare earth exports, the minerals that power everything from smartphones to electric cars. Why does this matter for crypto? Some analysts are saying these new restrictions could speed up the decline of the US dollar's dominance worldwide. If the dollar gets weaker, alternative assets like Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies could shine even brighter as safe havens. It's a reminder that geopolitics and crypto are more connected than ever. That's a wrap on today's hottest crypto stories. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.